bananas, you say peppers. And today I got a very special box in the mail from 5 Surprise Mini Brands. Today we have season 2. I think that this is season 2 and not season 2.5, but I got a box of the second. You know what? I'm just gonna open it. I'm gonna open it and look at their little pamphlet and see. Yeah, so it's wave 2 of toy mini brands. Now, I literally think that I've only unboxed 1 video's worth of toy mini brands before. I think I only had like 5 balls or something like that, but the ones that I got and the ones that we unboxed were truly magical. Oh my gosh. They have SpongeBob's and then they have baby sharks. So it looks like we have Rabicorns again, Dora, baby sharks, SpongeBob's. I know last time everybody was on the hunt for the golden SpongeBob. I have 10 of them today, but I'm only gonna unbox 5 of them because I hate to rush through mini brands when they're brand new. I feel like it's kind of more fun if we savor the mini brand flavor and we actually like look at the list and see the ones that we get. And you guys, it is 6 in the morning, but I'm all dressed up and I feel like I should be sleeping. But I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna open a couple mini brands and we'll see. You guys, also, I found my tooth necklace. I haven't seen this and I haven't worn this in a million years and I just found it. It is not real teeth though, so don't you worry about that. Although they do look convincingly real. So let's go ahead and peel this one on the top. I honestly do not remember what the color of the balls were last time, so if you guys remember, let me know. For whatever reason, this wrapper looks very familiar to me. It also says right on here that we're gonna have 100 plus minis to collect in this series. So, oh, satisfying plastic sound. Let's open ball number 1. Why do I have this much energy at 6 in the morning? I'm that friend, but only because I never sleep. All right, ball number 1, section number 1. Watch us get like the golden most rare SpongeBob right off the first thing. What is, ooh, this is a Nickelodeon Slime Hyper Blaster pack. And I don't remember ever having something like this. I had Nickelodeon slime when I was a kid, but they didn't really call slime back in the day. They called it gack, unless you were like actually on like a Nickelodeon game show, and then I think that they referred to like the gack as the slime. All right, ooh, what is this? Is this a yo-yo? A hacky sack? Go out and play. We've got a Rogue Whammo hacky sack. And you guys, I swear I'm gonna cut some of these open, or I'm gonna unwrap some of them just to see what they actually feel like. I don't think that it's actually gonna have like a real hacky sack texture. Can you imagine? I'm pretty sure it's like just a hard plastic ball in there, but oh my gosh. I love these tiny blister packaging wrappers. And I don't remember if I've ever said that before, but I feel like that was one of the first things that really made me fall in love with mini brands was like the Pez from season 1, because it was just like little miniature like blister packed Pez. It was very magical. All right, up next, what is this? Oh, it's Chucky. Ooh, okay, we're gonna set him to the side because I bet that this is one of the, you know, like kind of limited edition ones, because as I'm sure you guys can see, hopefully, the packaging is metallic. So we do have a tiny Chucky doll in there, and he actually looks like completely 3D. Like it's an actual like complete Chucky doll. I feel like some of the ones from the first season, they looked like they were gonna be completely 3-dimensional, but they were like flat on the back. But this actually looks like a teeny tiny little miniature figure. All right, I think that this is already the last section. No, we have one more, but we did get our list. And look at this guy. This is huge, I feel like, for a mini brand. So it's the Robo Alive, and this one is like a blue lizard. Now, I do remember some Robo Alives from series 1, but I think that those were snakes. And I think it was like red or something. Red and yellow. All right. We have ultra rare. Oh my gosh. What? There's like so many different sections with these, you guys. This is crazy. So we have a tier that I've never seen before, and these are called ultra rare. And they look like they're gonna be not a rose gold, but like a pink gold metallic. I don't think pink gold is a real thing, but I just made it up. Then we have super rare, which is the gold. And lo and behold, there is a gold SpongeBob and a gold Rubik's Cube. But I think that the design is obviously different from series 1, wouldn't it be? But honestly, you guys, the one that immediately calls to me is the gold Robo Fish. Look at how cool these are. Then we have even more super rare. There's a gold llama and a gold Patrick, and he's actually like meme Patrick with his mouth open. So it looks like we have 8 of these super rare, and there's like little symbols next to some of them, like an asterisk and little gold stars. I don't think I've ever seen that before on a mini brands list, so I don't know what that means. Then we have a whole category of glow in the dark. And honestly, you guys, the more that I look at these, like the more familiar some of them are to me. So I wonder if this is just an expansion on the ones that we opened last time, because I'm seeing the glue. There was like a puzzle glue or a crafter's glue. But anyway, there's a whole section of glow in the dark options, which is awesome because I feel like normally they only have like 1 or 2 glow in the dark options. Then we have 5 metallic ones. So we did just get the metallic Chucky right there in the middle. And then the rest are common. Lots of art supplies. Some of them do look pretty familiar. And then, yeah, oh my gosh, more Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and just bunches of options here. Some of these do look wickedly familiar. And I don't know if they're just like expanding upon, like if they have different Ninja Turtle masks this time than they did last time. I don't know, you guys. I just took off that big honking belt too. Ah! Well, y'all couldn't even see it. I had like a thick belt on and I'm like, you know what? That is not comfortable. All right, last section of ball number 1. You guys see, I feel like that's why this one has to be like just 5 balls because I feel like too much talking. 64 Crayola crayons. Now, I loved these last time and I remember there was quite a selection of Crayola products and like little art products, but oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know where my other ones are. Otherwise I would compare the list right now because I'm like, wait, I kind of thought that these were gonna be all new. Oh my gosh, they're like stuck in the display box. All right, ball number 2. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. Here we go. Good morning. I'm singing. What are you doing right now? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing. I always like to hear what you guys are doing while you're watching my videos. Like some people say they're getting ready for work, or they're on their lunch break, or they're just having a relaxing day off. Sometimes you guys watch me when you have a headache and then I feel kind of bad. Like maybe I shouldn't be screaming. I hope you don't have a headache today, but let's open this one up. What is that? What is that? Oh, it's a SpongeBob. Oh, it's the golden one. No, I'm just kidding. This is adorable. So it is a SpongeBob SquarePants figure and he's doing the imagination pose. And you guys, these, I love the detail on them. I mean, I feel like just overall, we know that many brands are impressively detailed, but these, I don't know if there's just like more like words and writing on the packaging of these versus like the food things. Gosh, I forgot that there was like cart options. Okay, I'm gonna build that in just a minute. Anyway, I don't know if it's just because there's like more words about these like collectible figures and stuff, but they just look so detailed. Oh my gosh. All right, what is next? Ooh, I've never had just a tiny little sliver of plastic fly off before. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I almost called it a Hot Wheel, but this is Zuru Metal Machines, and this is the Thriller car. And it does just look like a little Matchbox car or a Hot Wheels. See what I'm saying? There's like tons of stuff on the back here. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh my goodness gracious. I feel like this would have been like literature to read in the back of the day. In the back of the day? Literature to read back in the day. Did anybody else live in a time before cell phones and you would just like be in the bathroom and you would like read the back of the shampoo bottle? Because there was nothing else to do. And the amount of literature on these, it reminds me of that. I feel like I had certain shampoo bottles just memorized back in the day. Doesn't that make sense? Oh my gosh. Oh, he's terrifying. We have an Real Monsters and it's Ickis. And he's so cute. I was not really expecting to pull out like so many like retro kind of things, but I feel like with the Rugrats and the Real Monster, what are we gonna get next? Doug's Diary? All right, up next. Ooh, we got a teeny tiny little Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, and we got Leonardo. I almost called him Donatello. I feel like Donatello is the purple one, Leonardo's the blue one, Michelangelo's the orange one, and Raphael is the red one. And I can name all my Ninja Turtles. So we have Leonardo, and these are definitely some of my favorites. I love the little mini action figures. They look amazing. Okay, let me stop momentarily. I can't believe 2 balls down. Let me build this shopping cart. All right, you guys. Oh my gosh, I almost said this is one that is not put together until it's together, but that is just kind of like a statement that doesn't make sense. Nothing's put together until it's completely together. But I will just say that like until you put this like little topper on, like the construction of the 4 sides down here, very wobbly. But this is like so cute and so weird. I love the little pull carts like this with the wheels on the bottom and the handles, but I must say I've never seen a shopping cart like this out in the wild. Is this like a new thing? Am I missing out on this? Oh my gosh. Either way, very cute. And like I said, I didn't even notice. So it looks like there's 4 like shopping cart kind of things. There's this one, a more traditional like hand or like push basket, the brown paper sacks, and a shelf. Oh my God. There's the Gotta Go Flamingo. Oh my God. That's like a meme in this household. We have our own private meme. Here we go, ball number 3. Okay, what is gonna be? I kind of just want to get the gold SpongeBob. It's a hula hoop. I feel like there were some options for this last time, and it definitely is one of the more simple ones, but I honestly just think that this is so cute. I need a doll small enough that this can be its hula hoop. Maybe for like a Blythe doll, honestly, or like a 6 scale. Oh, yay. Oh my God. I'm totally gonna give this one to my mom because she actually has this in real life. It's the, I forget what it's called, the something llama. Pets Alive, the Booty Shaken Llama. Boppy, the Booty Shaken Llama. This thing is pretty hilarious, honestly. All right, what's next? Okay, I almost like lost the whole dang mini brand down here. What is this? Ooh, yay. Okay, I was hoping to get these. I know that these are some of the most plain like store items, like shopping cart, shopping basket kind of things, but these are some of my favorites. The brown paper sacks. You can honestly fit so many mini brands in these that I feel like they are kind of the most practical or the most like appropriate to scale. One last section. Oh my gosh, I was talking about this in another mini brands video and I had no examples and I felt like I was going crazy. So do you guys remember when I said sometimes the pull tabs are at the bottom of the section instead of the top? And at first I thought maybe that was like, that's a secret one, but it never usually is, like a super rare, but what was that? Anyway, Now I can finally show you guys that. What is this? I swear we got this one before. I don't know what this show is, but it's like, it looks really cute. It's like a genie show, but I really almost swear that this exact same figure was in the other toy mini brands. Am I having a moment? You guys, 2 left. Let me go ahead and unbox it. Ball number 4. Ew, I almost dropped it. Frightening. I'm gonna open this section first. What is this? This is, oh, okay, I got more bags, which is our first duplicate, but that's not even really a duplicate in my mind because you need those. Okay, it's a Frisbee, and I feel like this was one of my favorites last time, and I don't know if it seems so similar to me because maybe they're just doing different colors of the same toys in this wave, because it seemed like last time we got like a green one or a blue one, and I know last time there was a glow in the dark one, but we never got that one. Oh my gosh, is this our first? Yeah, this is our first like actual duplicate mini brand for the die, and it is the 64 Crayons. But once again, I really, really like this one. It's very cute. Ooh, what is this? This is a Blaze Crusher car. Oh my gosh, it's like a truck with a face. See, once again, there were some of these action figures last time, or like little cars or whatever, because I remember definitely saying like, I don't know what this show is or what these characters are, but I feel like it was a different car option. What is this? Ooh, okay, so this is definitely something I don't remember, and it's so cute. It's like a Leonardo Ninja Turtle dress-up costume set, and you guys, I don't know if the glasses look as cool on camera as they do in real life, but they're like kind of see-through. Like, it looks so cool. So you get the little like sword, I don't know what it's called, a mask, and then like, what is that thing? I legitimately don't know. It's like another like tool or something. It's like circular in there. What is that thing? All right, I think, oh, that was that whole ball. Why did that one go by so fast? Only one left, and then you guys, I think I'm gonna take a nap because I've been up all day. So we only so far have gotten like one rare kind of thing at all, which was the metallic Chucky. So it would be so much fun to get like, I don't know, glow in the dark one or something, or one of the super ultra mega rares to show you guys. What is this? Oh my gosh, okay, I'm so excited. I swear I saw this one on the chart last. Am I going crazy? I really wanted this one though because it is an alligator. So it's a Metal Machines. So I think that this is like a play set for the little car that we got earlier that I said looked like a Matchbox car or Hot Wheels. So it's like a little course, but it's an alligator's mouth that you would drive the cars through. And oh my gosh, you guys. I wish I could like figure out how to make jewelry out of that or something. Just a little alligator head. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's another duplicate. It is the Nickelodeon slime thing again. So this was the first one that we got today. And then, oh, it's another slime thing. What is this? Oh, Slime Station. So see, once again, they did have items like this, like in the past, like in the 90s, and they were pretty cool, honestly. I feel like I had this thing that was like a GAC inflator. Like you put slime on top of this thing and like somehow like made bubbles come into the slime, if that makes any sense. So this is the Whammo Super Ball. So I feel like this is one of those like super high bounce balls, but I really like these. Now I kind of want to open this one and see, would it actually bounce? That would be amazing. Oh, it is the fingerlings once again. And we have the unicorn, which, oh my gosh, you guys, that's why I'm so glad I decided to do a part 2 as well, because I am gonna find the other toy mini brands. I'm gonna do some investigating and I'm gonna see which ones are really new or really that different, because I definitely know that we had fingerlings before. What's going on here? Before I come back and open these other 5 balls, we will crack the mystery. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again. Bye!